Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today I did a model of the compression test of a composite column. The outer part is the normal strength concrete, and the middle part is ultra performance fiber reinforced concrete, and also the steel reinforcement here as a steel bar and a strip embedded in the concrete. You can see this is the compression. Let me make it like this to have a better view. This is the compression damage which is happened in the outer part, also the internal part. For instance, if I will select this, just this, you can see this is the normal strength concrete, and this is the compression damage. You can also request tension damage for this, the plastic strain or the stiffness degradation stress, plastic strain, stiffness degradation, the stress, or anything else. Now let me replace the ultra performance. You can see the ultra performance, the stiffness degradation, tension damage, compression damage, plastic strain, and now let me remove this concrete part, also this ultra performance. Just see the steel reinforcement. You can see that, and we can also use we can have the reaction force displacement or force displacement diagram. You can see this is the force displacement diagram for this composite column. This is the maximum force capacity, 10 meganewton. After that decrease in capacity till here, the column will reach 0, and it means the failure, the maximum capacity is reached. So if you need to model normal strength concrete, ultra performance concrete, steel reinforcement, and the column under the compression test, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial or search it here. Then click on the blue sign. You will have a title here, short explanation of the process and geometry, material model, step interaction load, and the figure as the result. You can see them here. The cost for the CAE INP English video and paper as a reference for the material is 26 euros. We use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for payment. Before that, send me an email to this address about the purchasing process. Also here in the package section in the website, we have a full package. You can see here a full package contains 430 tutorial about things about all things in Abaqus simulation and modeling, around 440 tutorials, and you can see the title of these tutorials here. And each one contains the INP English video, step-by-step paper, codes, anything, and the cost for that is too affordable, especially for the students. And if you need this full package, also contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.